appears like I've got a little bit carried away with the interior strip out. I only did remove a couple of panels, but I'll let you see. I'm glad I did, because I found the inside of the car, some of the floor pan has got some surface corrosion. And this is what I found. It's been treated, been bared back, treated and undercoated, but there's quite severe corrosion in the passenger footwell. That is now slowed up, but obviously will need treating, actually replacing some welding done at some point. And at the back there was some corrosion down there, and also underneath the rear seat, an area there of light corrosion that's been dealt with. On the driver's side there's an area just underneath the pedals, and some very light corrosion at the back. So I'm going to get some top coat on this today, and I'll put a little bit of silent coat over the top as well, and get the car back in so I can drive the car again. I thought it was a good idea to take it to the local garage to get the underside inspected following my findings inside the vehicle with the surface corrosion. And this is what I found. Not maybe as bad as I feared. There's some corrosion on the sills, I think some light corrosion. And on the right hand side there is a slightly heavier bit of corrosion on the plate that's welded to the bottom of the floor. And the surface corrosion on the rear axle area is very unsightly, so that will obviously all need treating at some point.